Going on, everybody? It's your boy Endless here. We're just enjoying a beautiful day. It fucking downpoured the past couple of days. Rain's been on and off. It's been absolutely awful conditions for recording. I've been having to take my GoPro off the helmet because of the rain, because I don't have my weather plugs yet. Rhode Island trip coming up in 2 weeks. Just did the oil change on the bike. She is really wanting to go today. I don't know what it is. I parked her for a day and come back, and she's fucking like, whoa, let's go, Rich! Let's go! She just has all the torque all of a sudden. I don't know what it is. I'm not going to say all the torque. It's a 600. It's not. Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going, buddy? Okay, buddy. Oh yeah, inline 4-cylinder, 600cc power. I can't wait for this Rhode Island trip though. I'm gonna try to get a couple videos worth of content while I'm out there, but I have no guarantee because I have to remember to record. Slow guy Steve here. Excuse me, sir. Pardon me, sir. So one of the things I hate about this bike is it drones right at that 70 mile an hour mark. She just does not like it. Yeah, hopefully I'll be getting some new equipment while I'm up there, because these gloves are spanked. Gloves are absolutely fucking spanked. Is that an ossifer? No, it's not. Okay, we're good. I thought that was an officer. That was it. Oh no. I saw that little movement I did. Surprisingly, I'm not seeing any bikes out. I mean, there was a group of 3 fucking off-road guys right when I pulled out of my house, but it looked like they were loud and obnoxious. You know, they didn't they didn't look friendly for damn sure. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just going. Upper vents. Yeah, okay, now they're closed. Like, what the fuck is that sound? See if we can get a wave back. See if we can get a wave back. Yo, oh, yo, yeah. Oh, the guy waved back to me. It was really nice out today. Really nice out today. knife goes chop, chop, chop. And if I miss the spaces, my fingers will come off. Oh, chop, 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 I'm picking up the speed. And if I hit my fingers, then my hand will start to bleed. Oh, yeehaw! Yeah! My buddy hit one of those once and fucking skirted off into oblivion. I try to dodge him. Or dodge him while I'm cornering. The bike's leaned over. You don't want to hit these fucking manhole covers up here. I don't know what it is. I guess it's because they're not textured up top. They're just smooth. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but they're wicked fucking slick if you're not careful. Wicked slick. I readjusted my clutch so it's where it's supposed to be now, and now I over rev the motor a lot. Actually, we're gonna go this way. I think I may loop around and take the back road. Not gonna put my foot down, not gonna put my foot down, not gonna put my foot down, because whenever I put my foot down, and I put my foot down. My turn now! My turn! I said it was my turn, not your turn, fucker. Does this light not see me? Yo, what is that thing? That thing is awesome, yeah! That thing is cool as hell! That thing is fucking sick! Dude, that thing was fucking awesome looking. I wonder if that counts as a motorcycle or as a fuck. I mean, it still has handlebars and it has 3 wheels. I think anything less than 4 wheels in Massachusetts counts as a motorcycle. Pretty sure. Intelligence is knowing a Polaris slingshot is a car. Oh wait, no. Intelligence is knowing that a Polaris slingshot counts as a motorcycle in Massachusetts. Wisdom is knowing it's a car. Same thing with that thing. I think I've seen that guy once before. That guy doesn't take anything out unless it's going to be like pristine all day, so maybe that's what's going on. Maybe it's going to be a nice sunshiny day today. Nice. See, I know, I wanted to go to that fucking car meet the other day, and I didn't get a chance to. I wanted to take a couple really cool montage shots, and then of course I went to go to the the what's it called, the kart track, and that shifter kart race was absolutely fantastic. But unfortunately, the only thing I was able to salvage from it was photos. I got like 500 photos, but all the entire hours worth of footage I got disappeared. It completely disappeared in the transfer to my tablet that I used to monitor my photos and shit. I was absolutely pissed. I was like, what the fuck is going on here? It did not work well, unfortunately. I'm thinking yeah, we'll go up West Shaft. I haven't gone up West Shaft in a while. Every time I see a Crown Vic, I'm like, it's a police car. It's a police car. Oh no, it's a police car. Oh! Oh, that was not a good fucking bump. Oh. I just transferred all the fucking weight of the bike into my nuts. Jesus Christ. Oh, god damn. Okay, well, shit was a bad idea. I used to live on this road, way up at the top of it, and it was fucking great because, like, as kids, like, we had like four-wheelers and dirt bikes and shit. Hell, we fucking used to play around on like lawn tractors and fucking like take them across the street in the fucking woods and shit. It was fantastic. I should start. I should do that again. I should get the old neighborhood kids together. You know, we should all just do fucking fun shit in the woods again for old time's sake. That'd be really fun.